So technically in 1 hour time frame, what we are seeing here is the Nifty is trading below the 50 and 200 day. So it's a bearish sentiment. So let us try to see how can the Nifty trade. We will go, we cannot predict 100%, but we can assume what could be the levels where Nifty could trade for the upcoming week. This is the 1 hour time frame here. We saw that Nifty is trading below this. It is created a low here, it is created low here, and it's created low here. So you just see these three lows, right? It is showing some pattern here. If the market is uptrending, you can just plot the highs. But if it is market is downtrending, you just have to pick the low here. You can see the low was created here in the November 20. It was on 26th. We saw that Nifty has created low here, the previous low here, and now it is trading around. It has broken the 17,000 level. It's trading around this level. So what we can make out from this here is just plot the line here. You can able to see that this trend is projecting to the previous low here. So if you just go back and see, this is how you do the trend analysis, and you can see whether this particular low, you can approximately project to this particular support level, right? You can see that this is how it's being projected. The reason I'm showing you this trend line, because whenever you see this trend line which is showing you some bottom level in the Nifty, right? You can see this is where the Nifty recovered, this is where a Nifty recovered, and this is where a Nifty again recovered. But the condition here was the Nifty was trading above the 50 and 200 day, but now it is trading below the 200 day. So this is a crucial level of support, right? So this level where Nifty is currently trading, it is a crucial level, because if this level is broken, we could see some sharp fall or sell off in the market, and Nifty will take very long time. Maybe it will take at least a month to touch 17,500. It will be entering into the bearish phase in the 1 hour time frame. So this level is considered as a crucial support for Nifty, and it has just closed below 17,000. But if it breaks this, and if it goes to 16,500, we could see some pullback. I'm not telling that Nifty will not go up, but it will take very long time to break this resistance, which is 17,500. It will try to consolidate into this range maybe for months together, and then we could see some bounce back trading strategy. And thank you for watching this video, and please do check out the links in descriptions to know more about this product.